Hi, we are Team 4 from the group 305 and our topic is land pollution. The members of the team are Isabel Franco, Elian Martinez, Maidi Hernandez, and Sebastián Hernandez. Land pollution refers to the destruction or a decline in the quality of the Earth's surface as a result of human actions. This could include anything from mining to agriculture to building, and consequences may be intentional or unintentional. Land pollution includes legacy pollution, illegal dumping, and litter.
Hi, my name is Sebastián Hernandez Gomez, and I'm going to present you some cases of the soil pollution. Well, there are main contributors to include that there are low waste urbanization, construction, mining, extraction, and agriculture. Well, why urbanization? Maybe principle because we are taking a land that we contaminate with trash, with constructions. We are like putting something over that soil that it can not fertilize. And the agriculture principle is something like weird because you say, but the plants grow on land. It's normal. But well, the problem here is that humans, we put some chemical on it that it makes the soil unfertilized. The effects, well, principal effects of it is that it contaminates some other stuff like the water that is drinkable. We also make that to loss of fertility of the land so we can uh, grow more food for us. It also affect the climate change, and as we all know that if it affect the climate change, it includes the flash flood and irregular rainforests. That is also worse for the soil. It's also the endangerment of species, and it can also be extinct. The habitat destruction that we are making to the animals that live there, and other ones.
Hello, I'm Maidi Hernandez, and I'm going to talk about the current solutions for soil pollution. Currently, there are some organizations that take into action some solutions in order to treat land pollution. For example, there is a company named Eco Bravo, and there is some their current solutions. First one, plant more trees. Reuse materials. Use manure for agriculture. Cut down on the use of pesticides. Creating awareness about soil pollution and waste treatment.
In Monterrey, there is a high index of land pollution, especially in green areas. There are food residues, trash, toxic substances, etc. This is observable in our school, CDEP. If you look outside the eating area, which is located outside, you can see the forest, which is very beautiful. But that beauty is highly contrasted by the high amounts of plastic residues like bags, plates, bottles, etc. Another problem that is impacting our well-being is urban deforestation and the carving of the mountains, which, apart from polluting the visual appeal of our city, also greatly impacts the well-being of the ecosystem that surrounds and supports us.
Going on to the solutions gallery, our first solution we propose is develop necessary legislation on land pollution control. The existing registrations such as urban and rural planning, agricultural practices, and land management should be revised and updated to include contemporary soil pollution control and prevention measures. Legislation on pesticide management, contaminated sites management, and farm soil management should as well be updated. Furthermore, measures should be put in place to promote continuous improvement of land pollution control standards.
Hi, I'm Isabel Franco and my solution for the land pollution is implement waste containers in public spaces. Although we can find waste containers in public areas, they are not enough because if you walk through the streets, you will be able to see that there is still a lot of trash. So, my solution proposes that we could create a culture where we could implement containers, where separate the waste into different categories, which could be organic, plastic, clothes, and glass. This could also help in pollution in general, but the main idea is to put more garbage containers in public spaces.
One solution for the soil contamination is the special treatment for hazardous waste. Its treatment is crucial to prevent soil contamination and to protect the health of humans, animals, and the environment. This waste can be highly toxic because it is from the industrial, especially here in Monterrey, we are a city, a very industrial city. So that is why we can implement special treatments and the correct treatments to that waste that all the industry make. Some ways to deal with this is the identification and classification of it, and safe storage of it, because sometimes we just throw it to the environment and that is not healthy for it. And also a safe deposit, a safe place where you can put it.
Everyone in Monterrey can help in the recovery of the health of our land by doing one of the most simple activities you can think of, planting trees. This is because of the heavy impact in the quality of the soil around them. They provide shade and reduce the rate of evaporation in the ground. They do this by dropping leaves into the ground, which both act as a fertilizer and also act as a cover for the topsoil. Imagine it as a blanket of leaves that helps the water not to evaporate. They also have roots, which provide the structure for the soil and prevent landslides. Additionally, some roots actually provide nutrients to the soil, which bacteria, fungi, and other plants use for their own needs.